Apple just released iOS 26 with the new Liquid Glass UI, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to recreate it in Figma. So this is super simple, and I'm going to start by creating a button on an image by selecting the Type tool. I have my font set to SF Pro, which is available in the latest update of Figma, which is the Apple font. I'm going to add the text button, and I'm going to change the font size to bold and fill to white. Just making sure to select your text before changing. Now holding Shift A, I'm going to create an auto layer, and I'm going to have my width padding set to 20 and the top and bottom set to 14. I'm going to give it a stroke so that we can see it. And we're going to have this set to a gradient with 3 stops. Now change the values of all 3 stops to white. And then the top and bottom stops are going to be set to 5%. Now drag your path so it goes to the bottom left and the top right hand. And now we can close this. And we're going to change the corner radius to 23. Next, we're going to give it a fill. And we're just going to have this at 2%. Now, if we scroll down, we're going to create some effects. So we're going to add a background blur to begin. And we're going to have the blur set to 16. We're going to add another effect. This time we're going to add an inner shadow. And we're going to be adjusting the top of our button. So we're going to have the Y set to 2, the blur set to 4, and the color is going to be white. And here I'm going to adjust the opacity to 36%. And we're going to add one more effect, and this is going to be another inner shadow. This time we're going to make the Y by -2. So now we're adding the shadow at the bottom of our button. I've got my color set to black, and opacity set to 16%. And some final touches, we're going to change the stroke to 0.5. And now, as you can see, when we drag a button around, we have this nice looking liquid glass effect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest design tips. I'll see you in the next video.